So we have come down to a street that I've actually taken you to before, and it's got a ton of cafes on it, and we decided to come for like a little date, and yeah, so we're here. This is like the cutest street, but it has multiple coffee shops. We need coffee. We're gonna try and find one. Should we try and just find the cutest one?
We need the cutest coffee shop.
So maybe it has the best coffee. We don't know. We'll find out. And then we're gonna try and get some food. So
fingers crossed.
We're gonna, yeah. It is hard finding vegan food. If I don't use a certain app, sometimes it's like, and just like, you know, looking at things in the window and stuff, you have to do a lot of translating and everything. So fingers crossed we can find something, but let's go. That's awesome. That is awesome. You like order it and then they hand it to you.
Days be past, days of trying.
You want a sweet potato?
Let's get a sweet potato.
I want a sweet potato. Yeah, they look ready. We got the potatoes. I'm very, very happy right now. This is our first time to have the potatoes.
Yeah, on the street.
On the street. We haven't been able to find them, so yeah. Oh my gosh, so good.
That looks so good.
I'm so cold and it's like so warm. It feels so really good on my hands. Finally, we got our sweet potatoes. It's gonna be messy.
Trust the simple ways. Hey, let it go.
potato. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's got like a...
Well, like, is that candied sweet potato?
Is it candied sweet potato? Yeah, I don't know.
That's what it is.
That's really cool. What did you get again?
I got cabbage.
Cabbage.
I got this other one, mushroom. Oh yeah, mushroom.
Ooh.
It says looks like carrot
Nice.
and mushroom.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Oh, so warm.
Is it good? We're so cold.
Yeah, it's good.
It's so good. It's like pickled.
It's yummy
I got a red bean one.
and hot.
And I can't video and also eat my red bean one, so. Well.
You don't want to drop the...
Oh, don't drop it. Is the red bean?
Oh, look, it's steamy. Ooh, hot.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah. It's so good. I know I'm weird. I like the red bean. You don't like it though, do you?
No, I do like it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I just wasn't in the mood for it today.
Okay, it's mine. All right, let's go. Let's walk while I eat my red bean. So we came in kind of a back way, and it's really neat because then you get to see where people actually live here, and it is so cool.
It's so cool.
Like right here. Is it long?
Yeah, it feels like
It's like corridors.
it feels like it's like closing in on you.
Really?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just really cool. And very enjoyable to kind of walk through and just feel like you're part of the neighborhood in a way. No one here, is there?
No one.
So
It's
crazy.
incredible.
It is incredible.
Oh, that looks so cool. I love this the lake.
We have literally come on the wrong day. Everything is closed. The cute coffee shop that I liked. All the good food vendors.
It's middle of a work day.
I know, but I just kind of assumed that it would still be open. And it's not.
Why did we come?
We came because we wanted good food.
The other window's open.
We could go to Starbucks, but no. I'm going to my beloved M stand. It is so good. This is the best coffee
I haven't had M stand.
in Shanghai, in my opinion. So far. Right, Brandon?
Yeah, then
Yes.
So far, M stand is our favorite. It is so good. It is so good. However, I do want one of those Shanghai mugs from Starbucks. So one thing is that McDonald's is open, so we couldn't find anything else open, but all of the like foreign stuff is open, so. Right, Zeke?
yes.
Let's go get some coffee. We have been summoned by the McDonald's gods to go get French fries. So we're gonna do that.
Ice cream first.
And then we are gonna try and get some tofu before we leave here because it's kind of important, isn't it? But this one already got his snack. What did you get? So what is it? It's waffle cone.
Yeah.
A little waffle.
It's like a waffle.
It is a waffle.
Yeah.
I just make a waffle.
It's nice. I forgot to get any film pictures. I got this on Taobao a couple weeks ago, and I have been slowly working my way through some of the film, and I was gonna try and get some cool pictures today. Have not done that yet. There we go. Nikon, old school film camera. It's very nostalgic. It makes me feel like I'm 12 again. Because this is all I used, you guys. This is all I used. And it was awesome. And the sound of it is amazing. It's like...
Well, it's kind of crazy.